Everybody, I'm Sylvia the Crafty Old Lady. I am batch filming the last few collage assignments, and so today I'm working on number 49, which is dancing, and he looks to me like he's dancing. I couldn't find anything that looked any more like dancing than him, you know, like Saturday Night Fever, except he's actually really holding something in his hand. But this is dancing. We're going with dancing for him. Anything summer is this background. Either side of a playing card, I've got this little mini playing card. Actually, I was going to put it that way, but I kind of like it this way. 3 of something. I've got 3 little apples. An eating or cooking utensil, which is right here, a little spatula, and I am not going to try to cut out in between there. I think I would destroy it. And a short word, and so I can find a short word in a minute, but for right now I'm going to try to cut these apples a little better. I just feel like they're very jaggedy, and put this together. There's too much weight showing on this one. Outline. I've been watching this show called Doc, and they were going over what happened when COVID hit in their hospital. And it's like, oh boy, did that bring back some not so great memories. It's so weird. It doesn't feel to me like it was so long ago already. But thank God it's over. Okay, so there's that apple. So let's move this out of the way and we'll just kind of work over here. So we're going to put him, which I think should be inked around. And probably the apples I would ink around too. Okay. That looks pretty good, so we'll get him down. Okay. Oh, I just tore him. Oh, goodness. Let's put him over here. Oh my gosh. My fingers are so sticky, I'm tearing him up. Oh my gosh, I can't believe I did that, but it actually doesn't look too bad. Let's ink around the spatula. I should have him holding the spatula, even though it's as big as he is. So, what if we just kind of put that like that? What about the cards? Maybe we'll just put the card like this. And then the apples, I'm just going to put across the top, I think. Or maybe I should put an apple in the barrel, I don't know. But I am going to ink my apples up a little. Oops. I knew I had a bunch of these little apples already cut out, but I wasn't sure how many I had, so I'm really glad that I had enough. Okay, let's put the lid on that now. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and put this card down. Hopefully this glue is good enough. So we should put it like that maybe. And then we'll put this on. Hopefully I don't rip it. So that's gonna go just like that. And then my apples. One, two, and three. And, whoops, too much glue on that one. Now I just need to find some words, and a short word at that. So, I do have this word book. So maybe I can find something in here that's got to be just one word. How about ecstatic? I think that's good. A short word, ecstatic, which I'm going to put right here. So let's bring this back and see if we've got everything we need. Dancing, anything summer is the background, either side of a playing card, 3 of something, which is the apples, an eating or cooking utensil, and a short word, ecstatic. So we got everything. And I think this time I'm going to use my Fabri-Tac to go on here. Okay. Looks good. And I will give you a sneak peek into next week's, because I started getting things for that one. And here is my ocean creature. And something that emits heat. So stay tuned for that one. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you again next time. Bye-bye.